Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make vegetable kebabs. Okay, so for this we're going to need some yellow zucchini, green zucchini. Zucchini is like a squash and it goes very well with all this array of green capsicums, green, yellow and red capsicums with some bella mushrooms and some onion. And to top it off, after we grill all this stuff and finish off in the oven, we're gonna top it off with some nice yogurt sauce and on a bed of pilaf rice. Okay, so try and use a lot of this zucchini. They're very nice, and so you can skewer this like this, so it will get grilled on both sides. Okay, make it nice and pretty. So now I'm gonna put red pepper on it, then a green zucchini. Okay, then again a yellow pepper. Okay, then the yellow zucchini, and then a green pepper, some green zucchini here back again, then a nice piece of onion and a yellow zucchini back again, and then top it off with a nice piece of mushroom. Okay, so you can put this mushroom this way so it grills well. So you can make all of these, and then we are going to grill this very well. We're going to make like this, all 6 of those, and then we are going to grill it and then finish it in the oven. See how colorful this thing looks? Amazing. You will taste really well. Okay, so for the vegetable cutlets, we're just gonna get some nice grill marks by pouring some oil on this stuff. This is olive oil, and just spread this oil really well. So just like we do the grilling all the time. Now the whole purpose of it is to nicely get nice grill marks on this. The reason is that it looks very presentable. Okay, so now this is nice and hot, and you can get the grill marks more on the zucchinis because that's the main thing that has to be cooked. So the purpose of this grilling is to get the zucchini cooked, because the peppers and all that stuff will cook real fast without any problem. So here we are, we're putting all of that one time and just slowly keep on turning it over when you can hear the peppers and everything giving out the aroma and smell. And that's when I'm going to turn it, probably one minute on each side. Okay, so one minute on each side, which I said. So you can just use your hands, or you can use the tongs, whichever you prefer. It's not very hot, so look at this, browning on each side is good, but watch your hand because this can get really hot. It all depends. I got 2 flames here. This one's real hot flame, and this one is little smaller flame. So there you are. It's directly though there. This is how it's supposed to look. So we're going to keep on turning it really well on all sides. The purpose of everything is to get this zucchini kind of singed, and then we can put it in the oven. Okay, so guys, you can see this. Oh my God, it just smells so good. It's nice and gives it a nice brown flavor to it. I can smell the caramelization of the peppers, the onions, and that's how you want it, okay? So now we're gonna get it out from here and then put it in our, here we go. So I'm gonna arrange it properly and then put it in the oven. So the main purpose is to get the zucchini cooked well, okay? So in the oven it goes at 300 degrees. Okay, so, and it's not on broil, it's on oven. Oven means it will cook all around everywhere. So you're gonna put this in the oven and then take it out after 10 or 10 minutes. Look at it, don't let it burn or let it dry up too much. Okay guys, so this, our oven is already on at 300 degrees, and this is what, for one tray I'm just going to use this small oven and I'm going to stick it in and let it broil for not broil, I mean bake for about 10 minutes, and just keep on looking at it. You don't want it to burn or dry up too much. Okay guys, so it's 15 minutes and I've been watching this thing, and I think it's just great on perfection, as you can see. So this is the way you want your zucchini to be. It's not overcooked, because what's gonna happen is if you keep it for longer time, this is gonna leave all the water. So this is nicely cooked, just right to be eaten. Okay, so it's not well done, it is al dente, it has to be crunchy, and it is cooked. That's how it is gonna be. So we're gonna take this out now from this and then put it on a bed of rice and plate it. Okay, so now we're gonna plate our fantastic looking vegetable kebabs. There you are. They look so yummy, nice and colorful, and they are cooked to perfection. To this, you gotta add our yogurt sauce, which is on our channel. So what are you gonna do is just put this right like this on top of it, and enough for you, so it drizzles on the vegetables and goods. There you are. Amazing. It looks so good and such a tasty dish. You gotta try it. Voila, here's our vegetable kebabs. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!